We'll guide you through how to fix black screen problems or issues and there being no display on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as you're unable to go and use it, so you've got a couple of different fixes you can try. So to go and get started, you want to make sure your phone just isn't completely out of battery. So what you can try doing is going and plugging it in and charging it. What you want to do is go and let it charge for at least 5 to 10 minutes, ideally longer, and go and see if it then goes and starts. If that doesn't work, don't worry, let's get into the next fix. For the next fix, we're going to try performing a forced restart, as the screen may be off but the phone is still working, so doing this can solve it. Locate the power side button and the volume down button. And what you're going to do is go and start holding these together like so. Keep these held down and then you should go and see the logo. At that point you can go and release and the phone is now starting. So you may need to hold them down for a bit of time and then it should start. Now let's go and wait. When your phone starts, you can go and unlock it and hopefully now the problem is solved.